Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to use Evernote for remote work and freelancers. Working remotely means handling tasks, clients, and notes efficiently, and Evernote can be a powerful productivity tool. First, organize notebooks. Create notebooks for clients, projects, invoices, and meetings. This keeps all work-related notes structured and easy to find. Step 1, use tags. Add tags like urgent in progress, client name, or paid. Tags help you filter notes across multiple notebooks quickly. Step 2, manage tasks with checklists. Use checklists inside notes to track daily tasks and deadlines. Marking tasks complete helps you stay focused. Step 3, store client information. Save contracts, briefs, emails, and feedback as attachments. Everything stays in one place. Step 4, use templates. Templates for meeting notes, proposals, project planning, and invoices save time. Consistency improves professionalism. Step 5, collaborate and share. Share notes or notebooks with clients or teammates. Control, edit, or view permissions for privacy. Step 6, work offline. Download notebooks to work without internet. Sync updates automatically when you're back online. Step 7, review and archive. Archive completed projects and old notes regularly. This keeps your workspace clean and fast. So Evernote for remote work and freelancers is about organization, tags, task tracking, templates, collaboration, offline access, and archiving. Follow these steps and your remote work becomes more productive. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.